sorted out. Unfortunately, we're off the line. But the conditions are improving behind the storm, so we are able to get in quickly and begin those assessments of the speed of work. We're going to determine what impact and what assistance may be required. So North Carolina has been pretty much flooding, a lot of trees down, and the coastal areas we're still getting back down to is several other highways that have dangerous routes, some flooding, but also a lot of trees down.
To this internet connection, but our satellite truck basically got flooded. He had a movement. That's how bad the storm surge was. It was worse than I had expected. And I feel bad about that. So we had to move the satellite truck. Once the eye or the circulation center of this thing moved on shore just to our west, boy, it's just the whole thing just fell apart. It wasn't one of these deals where you get a huge strong hurricane and the backside just as bad as the front side, or even worse. The backside of this thing had a lot of dry air into it and weakened fairly rapidly. So that's why we're enjoying a fairly tranquil afternoon. Surf goes still rough. We're at low tide down. You're here. That's the first iron we've heard since the start of this storm. Normally, even in a mundane storm or a winter storm, you would hear the emergency vehicles going up overnight. I've talked to police, I've talked to the fire department, I've talked to the emergency managers here of Nassau County, and at least in this area, they don't have a whole lot to report. So